Welcome to Grampy's Lionel Trains. I recently purchased the Rivet punch set from PE Design. I'll be using the Rivet kit today on a 671's rear truck. We're going to rivet the rear drawbar using the truck stud along with the cup washer and the spring. Before I set the rivet, I like to add a little tape to protect it from scratching, but also to hold it securely while I peen it over. With the rivet in place, I set the rear truck down over it. Next goes the cup washer, then the spring, and then finally the drawbar. Using the punch, I carefully peen the rivet over with light controlled taps until everything is snug and secure. And there we have it. Everything seated properly, good spring tension on the drawbar, and a solid, secure installation ready for service. Here's what a brand new axle retainer looks like before it's bent over and formed to the truck. You can see it's straight and flat at the stage. Now the originals, you'll notice, already bent over match the contour of the truck that holds the axle securely in place. Before installing the wheels, I add a small drop of oil where the axles ride in the truck journals. As you can see, I already have one axle retainer installed on the side of the truck. Next, I take the axles and the wheels and drop them in place. Taking the original axle retainer that already has the bend that's formed to match the truck. Once that's in place, I take a C-clamp and secure one side. After that, I take a pair of channel locks and lock the axle retainer in place to secure the wheels and the axles. And just like that, the truck is ready to go back into the engine. PE Design offers a wide range of specialty tools that can really simplify your repairs when you're working on your pre-war and post-war trains. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And don't forget to turn on your notifications for another upcoming video here at Grampy's Lionel Trains. Happy railroading!